Do you have a wood railing? You love wood, but you hate maintenance? If that's you, I've got something you're going to love. This is our Rail Shield product that snaps over wood handrails and bottom rails to beautify, protect, and prolong your deck for years to come. It'll take your wood railing from ordinary to extraordinary. Let me show you how this works. This handrail fits over a 2x4 and is screwed in place with panhead screws, which are then hidden by this channel strip. It sits above the 2x4 and it allows for airflow to keep the wood dry. Now, it sheds water and protects against direct sunlight that ages, cracks, and splits wood over time. It's made of polycarbonate, which is one of the hardest, most durable, fade-resistant, and thermally stable materials available. And that means it has very low expansion and shrinkage rates in hot and cold climates and can handle direct sunlight. And we've been testing this material for 2 summers and winters now, and it's performing very well. The bottom rail is a 1.5-inch wide profile and it fits over the edge of a 2x4. It has a little center groove for locating a screw for baluster connectors. And because it's held in place every 4 inches by screws, it can't move in hot sun and heat. So we can use a more affordable PVC material for the bottom rail. And the profile fits beautifully right over our hidden fastener 2x4 shadow rail connectors for a really clean look. Rail Shield is a complete system. It was designed to combine with all our other parts to look fantastic and to minimize your maintenance and extend the life of your wood railings, hopefully for a lifetime, as well as save you some money. And that's a big point. Now think about it for a minute. We've been experiencing some significant inflation over the last couple of years. And one of the main reasons I decided to try and develop this product was to save people money on replacing wood railings with more expensive vinyl or aluminum systems. And wood, let's face it, is still the most affordable, most common material in use today. Now obviously, it comes with maintenance issues, but I think we've gone a long way to fixing that problem without having to spend a ton of money. So this is the Rail Shield system. Think about it for your next project. Check it out.